Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Heather and today you're here for a party, a yoga burpee workout party. Now if you have done any of my yoga HIIT workouts, you might be familiar with the yoga burpee, and if not, I'm going to teach you all about it in today's class. 15 minutes is all we'll need and our mat, so let's head to it. Right, we're going to begin standing towards the front of our mat, and we're going to begin in mountain pose. So let's go ahead and bring our feet right under the hips and just beginning to feel our feet, feeling the edges, feeling our toes on the mat, your heels, and just feeling that full contact of your feet on the mat. Just allow your arms to relax by the sides. Your palms are facing the front. And let's roll the shoulders around, down and back. And take a moment to just close your eyes here. Settle into a few breaths in and out through the nose. And just take a moment to appreciate that breath, how your body's feeling today, the ability to move. Couple more breaths. Maybe letting your shoulders soften a little more. But as they relax, maybe you imagine that you're standing a little taller. Now let's go ahead and open our eyes and take the hands to the heart center. We're going to inhale the hands out and up as they lift up. I want you to keep your hands reaching up. And just imagine that they are lifting up a little higher. Can you feel that bigger stretch as you reach? And let's find just a little mini back bend here. Oftentimes I like to pull the elbows out, but today we're just gonna keep it long and lifted and lift back up. Now let's find a nice slow swan dive down. Arms reaching out as we hinge at the hips and fold forward. Have a nice bend in your knees here and just let your head relax. Maybe you shake no a couple times and just loosen that up. Let's come to a flat back, bringing those hands maybe below your shins, letting your shoulders roll down and back. And in this space, we're finding our long neutral spine. Let's release into a forward fold and then step our feet back into a plank. So during our yoga burpees, we're going to be making our way to plank a lot. We'll be on our hands, we'll also be on our knees. And of course, I'll show you variations that you can use throughout our workout today. From here, let's all release our knees down, relax the tops of the feet, and lower down onto the belly. And let's pull those shoulders back here. We've got our feet gently lifted off. Your hands are reaching back. And we're just waking up those back muscles, engaging your glutes here. And release that. Take your hands under the shoulders. Curl the toes under. We're going to press our body up. We've got our knees down. And then make our way to downward facing dog. You can have a big bend in your knees here or allow your legs to straighten a little more. Big bend. We're going to step our feet on up. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, release down. Find a reverse swan dive up, lifting tall. Now let's find a mini back bend where we open and expand. We're going to inhale up. Exhale, swan dive down. So using these sun salutations to warm up a little more. Inhale to flat back. Exhale, release down. Step it back either on your knees or on your toes. Lower chaturanga. Now you can bring it to an up dog or stay a little lower in cobra. Downward facing dog. Hips rise up. Bend your knees. Step up to the front. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, down, reverse your swan dive, and find your mini back bend. All right, inhale up, lower the hands to your heart. So we are gonna sit our hips back into our first chair pose. Part of your yoga burpee is gonna be coming into chair pose. So So we're gonna take a moment to make sure that we have a great setup for it. I like to have a little bit of space between my feet just so that my body is in alignment. You're sitting back like you're sitting into a chair. Your knees are staying over top of your feet. So we're not jutting forward, but we're gonna push those hips back. You can wiggle your toes, just making sure you're not pressing through your toes, but then I want you to let them relax. Your hands can at any point be at the heart. And with your core, you want to pull your belly button in and notice that you've got a neutral spine. So if you feel like you're rounding or arching like that, we straighten that up. Or if you find like you're like this, you want to roll your shoulders down and back. Great time to take a pause, look in the mirror, check yourself out, and then come right back in. All right, so we're in our chair pose here. If you'd like, you can reach your hands on up. Holding here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive and release. You can jump or step back. We're gonna come to down dog, bend your knees, jump and step it up, and chair. All right, that is our yoga burpee variation number 1. Hold it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive. You can step or jump, plank, downward facing dog, bend your knees, jump or step up. Sit your hips back, hands at the heart, or reach here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive, release, jump or step back, find your down dog, and then bend your knees, jump or step it up. All right, float those arms up, chair here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive, jump it back, down dog, and then bend your knees, jump or step it up. One more time for this variation. Hold your chair for 5, maybe sink down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump, step, and down dog. All right, for a moment, let your knees relax down and settle into child's pose. All right, how did those first yoga burpees feel? Getting that party started? All right, I've got another variation that we're going to go through. Each variation, we're going to do 5 of them. Now know that you can always come back to any of the variations that you like. So you can always come back to this first one and try it out. All right, we're gonna come to down dog and go into our second yoga burpee variation. So let's go ahead, come into our chair pose, sitting our hips back. Abs are in and braced, never forgetting that belly button pulling in, hands up or at your heart. And your eyes are just looking directly out. So you're not looking down, you're not looking up. You're keeping that neutral neck here. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna jump back to plank and add a yoga push-up. So option 1 is on your knees, up, down dog, and then bend your knees, jump it up. Chair pose. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive and jump. Option 2, on your toes. Press it up. Down dog, jump it up. Reach. Woo, building that heat. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump back. Add your push-up. Down and up. Down dog. Bend your knees. Hop to the front. Reach your hands. Hold your chair. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive. Jump it back. Add that push-up. Back up. Down dog. We're going to do one more. Here we go. Hold your chair for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump that back. Find your push-up. Down dog. And then let your knees relax down. Good work. Take a breather for a moment. Find your child's pose. And then let's get ready for our next variation. All right, this one's gonna give your hands a little bit of a rest. Let's make our way to down dog and then find our chair pose. Always coming back to it. Bend your knees, come on up. Sitting your hips back. And no, anytime, have your hands here. Your shoulders are down and back. No matter which option you choose, at the heart or there, they are going to be working and engaging those back muscles. All right, here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna dive, jump it back, and then come onto your elbows. We're gonna inhale and roll forward. And as you exhale, roll back, hold. Back on your hands, downward facing dog. Bend your knees, jump or step it up. Find your chair, sit that back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive and release. Find your plank on your elbows. 2 times with that roll. Inhale, roll. Exhale, back. Do it again. Inhale, roll. Exhale, back. Hold on your hands. On your down dog. Bend your knees, jump or step up. Chair pose. All right, you have 3 left, and then no more yoga burpees. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive and jump. Find your elbows. Let's breathe. Inhale, roll. Exhale, back. Inhale, roll. Now, if you're on your knees, just hold the plank. 1 more. Inhale, roll. Exhale, back. Hold on your hands. Find your down dog. Bend your knees, jump it up. Chair pose. We are so close. 2 more to go. Let's stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dive and jump. Find your plank. 4 times. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. 2 more, breathe in and out. 1 more. Breathe it out. Hold on your hands. Find that down dog. Bend your knees, jump it up. Your final chair is here. Hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dive and release. Jump or step back. Come on your elbows. 5 breaths, 5 rolls. Inhale, roll forward. Exhale, back. We've got 4. And back. And 3. And back. 2 more. You're so close. Bring it back. Last 1. And back. Hold on your hands. Find your down dog. And let your knees relax. Settle into your child's pose. Whew. What a party. Yoga burpee party. All right, take a couple breaths here. We are gonna have a well-deserved couple minutes of stretch. Let's take our hands over to the right side and just add a nice side body stretch in. Bring your hands back to the center and then take them to the other side. And then bring it on back to the center. Nice work. We're gonna walk our hands back and bring your legs around, scoot forward, and roll all the way back. Now this is gonna feel good. Bring your knees in, wrap your arms around, and just find a gentle rock side to side. We're gonna take our right foot. We're gonna cross it over that left knee, letting that right knee open out. Reach through it on the outside and just gently pull that in. We're gonna get a nice stretch for the hips, the hamstrings, the glutes. And just stay there for a couple breaths. Let your shoulders relax down. Oh, you guys, amazing yoga burpees today. Nice work. Let's release that and then switch to the other side. So bring that other ankle on top of that thigh, just below the knee or above the knee. Reach through it on the outside and gently pull that in. And again, just letting your left knee open out a bit. And just use your breaths as you breathe out. Soften your elbows. And just pull that leg in a little more to see how that stretch feels. Good work. All right, hug your knees back into your chest. Give them a big squeeze. Take a couple rocks side to side. And let's rock ourselves on up. Find a comfortable seated position. So crisscross or however it feels good to sit today. Let's take a big breath in together. Reach your arms out and up. And as your hands come together, exhale to your heart. Hold them there. And let's take a bow forward. Namaste. Friends, thank you so much for joining me for our yoga burpee workout party. I hope that you had so much fun in this workout. I hope that you got a little sweat, that you felt your muscles working. Let me know what you thought of this yoga burpee workout. Be sure to leave a comment down below, thumbs up on this video, and subscribe to my channel so you're not missing any of our weekly fitness, yoga, and strength training workouts. Thank you so much for joining.